YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And thank you guys, whoever this might be, for sending me this for a review. And we have here, oh baby, this is a good one. Wow. Here we go. SofaBaton. They do have an app for it, so you're gonna need to download it. I do believe with this one. Yeah, mobile app. All the good stuff. I'll show you how to set it up. Let me zoom in. My lighting is off a little bit today. There it is. Mobile app, infrared Bluetooth control, IR blaster, 45 days working time. So that's really good without charging it. Compatible with 5 million devices, I do believe, all in one. Customized activity, and it comes with a hub. Gotta get your hubs. Here we go. Apple, Google Play. All you gotta do is scan the QR code. Here's the main front. X1S smart remote. Ooh, baby. Looks slim. I got a couple other remotes on the previous videos, so check those out also. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. Much appreciated. And let's take a look. You know, this would be a nice Father's Day gift, because they are pretty pricey, but it is well worth it to get one at least, maybe two, for yourself and for, say, like a Father's Day gift or somebody's birthday. My birthday is next month. Here we go. Yeah, I'll probably set this up in a second. Oh, super strength. All right. SofaBaton. Not a bad manual. Not too thick. Easy to read. Oh, wait till you see this. This is granddaddy of them all. It's already good to go. Look at that. Ooh. Super smooth. Got a nice LED display. Make sure you peel this off. Ooh. Look how thin it is. Ultra thin. Super nice. Here's a trackball. It's actually in a ball. Feels good. Nice numbers. It's actually installed a new TV downstairs. Well, older TV that was in my room. I moved it downstairs, so. And the remote is lost, so this is going to come in handy. I'm going to set that up, show you guys how it's done. We should have the hub coming up. Got a nice long USB. We got here. Another USB. Yep. I think this is for the hub. One of them two are. We got the power. That's what it is for. This is normal, basic And then here are the antennas. Antenna. Right there. See, this is only one, so there's plenty of room. There's two there. Should be two here. Or is it 1 and 2? Yeah. So it's 1 and 2. There we go. And we got that. We got the sticky note. Not sticky note, but sticky glue. It'll be easy to mount somewhere. And now here is the hub. Bada boom. Bada bing. And like I said, installing everything is quick. You know how you gotta set up the app, add your email and stuff like that. And then there'll be like QR code to scan. And also to set up your TV. It's really simple. Oh, baby. Here is the hub. It has a non-slip guard, so it won't be sliding everywhere. Or maybe you can mount it. I'm not sure. That's what the grooves are there. Kind of looks like a little screw. You just poop, pop it in. And now this is the fun part. Trying to think where all this stuff goes. Power, power. This must go in here. We got the power. See, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. This one goes first, I assume. So that's one of them. And number 2. That goes into the slot number 2. So I'll just go all out and start hooking this up. Maybe one's control. Okay, this one's to charge the remote also. So that's what this USB is for. Okay, I figured it out. So we're good to go on that situation. And then we just plug this in, you know, to that USB. But like I said, we're going downstairs. I'll have it all hooked up. Definitely super excited. I can hook up my Blu-ray, DVD player, stuff like that. And I think Xbox and other consoles. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Just read the description in the Amazon store, and you could get more input once you click that link down below. See, just plug it in here. Hopefully it's not too long of a video. Hopefully around 11 minutes or less. But a lot of cool things I gotta show you. And it all starts here. So where did I put the one? Okay. Got the one right here. And like I said, next spot will be the basement downstairs. And we're gonna hook it up. So we're all plugged in. Got these long. Yeah, see, they're pretty long. And then power. We got the build to go. And then we're going to go downstairs. I'm going to put this in the box. And mosey on down to the basement. Fun times. Oh yeah, I can't wait to show you guys this. I mean, this thing is like super light, guys. A nice display. Even the older folks can read it. I'm kind of mid-age right now, so but my vision's kind of iffy, but that's because of other things happen in life. But here we go. We'll be right back. The main app looks like the SofaBaton. Click on that. There we go. And that's here I am connected to the SofaBaton app. I already got the hub installed. And now X series. There's a hub update the firmware. This should take a minute. Connected to Bluetooth. Figured that devices, pretty much everything I already showed how to hook it up, and there's a remote. So definitely check them out. Easy peasy to set up, and you guys see how the firmware works right about now. So yeah. Alright guys, I gotta install the IR sensors there and over there. And I have the hub right over there. Got the green light. Here's the remote. Just circle through. Use that. Set. LCD sleep. Restart language. The newest version is updated firmware. Sync. Now it's going to sync up. There's my Vizio. Now I can change the aspect ratio input. See? Just slide it through. And I can link other things to it. Just change your input. Well, yeah, this is definitely really cool to get. And I think that's how. Here we go, HDMI 2. There's my screensaver. So like I said, really cool. And you could do pause, play, channel down, channel up, volume. And there's a volume. And then volume down. So really cool. And now at the end, all you gotta do is click the link, check them out. SofaBaton, really nice remote. Got everything. App is easy to set up. I'll show you that in this video. So be safe. Have a good night.